In this video, I'm gonna show you the Mineitor's remote browser feature. With this amazing feature, you can easily open your device web panel directly inside your Mineitor dashboard in more secure way. All the actions and operations that are done through the web panel are all logged and saved on the server. So admins or responsible persons can monitor all the activities of other users. In order to access the device web panel, navigate to Device page and click on three-dot menu in front of each device. Click on Remote Browser. Wait for the progress bar to complete. This could take a minute or two for the first time. Enter the username and password. As you see, the device's web panel loaded and you can log in and use it. There are two ways to access the remote browser logs. 1. Click on three-dot menu in front of each device on the devices page. Click on Remote Browser Log. 2. Navigate to the Forms page by clicking on Logs from the menu. If you had any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.